Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to learn how to do the AI yearbook trend for free. The first thing we need to do to create our AI yearbook trend pictures is open a browser. It can be any browser. And we are going to search for Pika AI. We click on the first result and you'll see it says you can swap faces online. If we scroll down a bit, you can see all these profile templates you can use. Some of them are related to the yearbook trend. For example, we can pick this one. And now we select our selfie. In this case, we are going to use this picture. Now we click on generate and wait for around 30 seconds. And here you go. You have generated your first AI yearbook trend picture for free. You can download it directly from here, or you can click on My Creations to download previous pictures you've generated. And that's it. This is how to do the AI yearbook trend for free. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.